The 2024 Chevrolet Trax slips into the future without all-wheel drive, but with hints of a battery-powered future. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 Chevrolet Trax? The Trax brings back the brand of a tiny car and gives it slick SUV stylistic influences, but it is a front-drive hatchback without an all-wheel drive option. The appealing Trax features a lineup that is appealingly straightforward, good fuel economy predictions, and a high level of technology standard. Without considering the upcoming safety ratings, we give it a 6.0 out of 10. What has changed with the Chevrolet Trax in 2024? It is a completely new model that is significantly bigger than Chevy Trax models offered before 2022. The 2024 Trax, which is based on the Little Trailblazer, is larger overall and has a longer wheelbase. It is almost the same size as the crossover Chevrolet Equinox. The Trax is back in an expensive-looking sporty tracksuit-style clothing. The 2024 Trax flaunts a mesh grille across its snout, with a lattice structure framing its small Chevy bow tie, clearly in the spirit of the forthcoming Equinox EV, without copying that electric SUV's appearance. Its LED running lights spiral out into LED headlights for an eye-catching lighting character. With its two-pack, wasp waist and sweeping upward turn of its shoulder line at the back, the Trax strikes a powerful blazer note down the sides. Stick-pin taillights that point backward towards the Trax's broad haunches cover the rear quarters. It continues inside, where the Trax blends angled control pods with circular air vents and a large touchscreen, stitching it all together well beyond its pay grade. We wish more economy cars had as much energy. The 2017 Trax has not been crash-tested by the NHTSA or the IIHS, but all models come standard with automatic highlights, active lane control, and automated emergency braking. All variants come included with blind spot monitors and rear parking sensors, while more expensive models can be equipped with adaptive cruise control. What is the price of the 2024 Chevrolet Trax? The Trax is available in the LS, 1RS, LT, 2RS, and active trim levels. Every vehicle has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, LED headlights, cloth seats, and cruise control. The $23,195 Trax 1RS ups the ante with heated front seats and 18-inch wheels, while the $21,495 Trax LS has the same infotainment on an 8.0-inch touchscreen. We like the $23,395 Trax LT with its remote start and 11.0-inch touchscreen. Hold on to the pricey $24,995 Trax 2RS with its 19-inch wheels. And even the $24,995 Trax Active, with its monochrome design and motorized driver's seat. 2024 Chevrolet Trax comfort and quality. According to the figures, the 2024 Trax is 4.0 inches lower than the 2022 Trax, has a 6.0-inch longer wheelbase, and is 11.0 inches longer overall. According to Chevy's calculations, the 2024 Trax has a wheelbase of 106.3 inches and is 178.6 inches long. This makes it just 0.7 inches shorter in wheelbase and 4.5 inches shorter than the previous gas-powered Equinox. In the majority of 2024 Trax models, the driver and front passenger only have manual adjustable seats. There's no need to worry. The Trax provides decent support in most directions, even without power adjustment, and the driver's seat can be modified for a comfortable driving posture, but lower-end models lack a telescoping steering wheel. Although the Trax's front seats might need more lumbar support, they do have wider bottom cushions and higher seatbacks than those of other contemporary GM SUVs. The majority of models have a tough fabric covering, though active editions also have synthetic leather accent on the bolsters. 2024 Chevrolet Trax safety. We don't know yet. It's too new for the NHTSA or the IIHS to have crash-tested one. When they do, we'll update this score. All Trax hatchbacks come with automatic emergency braking, active lane control, and automatic high-beam headlights. Blind spot monitors and rear parking sensors can be fitted to even the base model, while expensive trims can also be configured with adaptive cruise control. Outward vision is mediocre to the rear quarters, where the Trax roofline sweeps upward and cuts into the view. 2024 Chevrolet Trax features. We give the 2024 Trax a 7 for its standard features and infotainment. The $21,495 Trax LS has LED headlights, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, an 8.0-inch touchscreen, cruise control, cloth upholstery, and 17-inch wheels. Options include blind spot monitors, rear parking sensors, and remote start. Which Chevrolet Trax should I buy? We suggest the $23,395 Trax LT, which comes with an 11.0-inch touchscreen and remote start, as well as automatic climate control and rear seat USB ports. Heated seats are available, along with adaptive cruise control, a power sunroof, and wireless smartphone charging.